Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your script on TradingView as an invite-only script. This process ensures that only the people you approve can access your script, providing an excellent way to share your work selectively while retaining control over who sees and uses it. First, you need to open your script in the Pine editor on TradingView. The Pine editor is the built-in code editor within TradingView where you can write, edit, and test your scripts. Once you're in TradingView, navigate to the Pine editor. If you already have your script written, this is where it should be loaded and ready for further action. Now, before we move on to the publishing step, it's important to save your script properly. In the Pine editor, you'll find the Save button located at the top. Just give it a click. However, don't just settle for a generic name. Instead, make sure to give your script a clear and descriptive name, because this is going to be the first thing people see when you share your script. A well-named script stands out and immediately conveys its purpose or function to your intended audience. Once your script is saved and aptly named, it's time to start the publishing process. In the same Pine Editor toolbar where you found the Save button, look for the Publish button and give it a click. This will trigger a pop-up window. We're interested in sharing the script as an invite-only script, so in this pop-up, make sure you select the option labeled Invite-Only Script. This option restricts access to those you specifically invite or grant permission, making sure your work is shared only with those you trust or choose. Finally, it's time to submit your script for review. In the pop-up window, you will see an option to publish script. Go ahead and click that. Now, once you've done this, TradingView's moderation team will take over. Don't worry, the review process is designed to ensure that all scripts meet TradingView's standards. Typically, their team takes about 1 to 2 business days to review and approve your script. During this time, you won't need to do anything but wait for their feedback or approval. That's it, folks. You just learned how to publish your script on TradingView as an invite-only script. By following these steps, you ensure your script is safely shared and protected, maintaining control over who gets to use it. Thank you for watching, and happy scripting.